Hello mga kachabinog and kachabinoggers. So today's video tutorial is all about how to insert 3D image in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's like what you are seeing right now. Okay, isn't it amazing? Okay, so if you are interested, then go and watch my video tutorial. Okay, so one of the newest feature of the Microsoft Office 365 PowerPoint presentation is this 3D model. So we can insert a three and exciting 3D models in our presentation. Ito yung bago dito sa Office 365 na to. Okay? Paano nga ba gagawin or paano nga ba tayo makakapag-insert ng ating 3D picture? Okay? Or saan nga ba natin pwedeng gamitin ang mga ito? Okay, so pwede natin gamitin. Okay, hanap lamang tayo ng picture 3D na related sa ating topic na pwede natin ilagay sa ating presentation. Kumbaga, it would give more excitement sa mga estudyante natin na makikita sa nilang 3D na moving object or images on their presentation. Okay? Now, to do that, first step, you have to open your MS presentation or your MS PowerPoint. Now, go to Insert. Okay? Then look for 3D models. Okay, so here it is. Under the illustrations group. Okay, so insert a 3D model so you can rotate it and see all angles. So meaning to say, pwede natin mapalitan yung angles ng ating 3D or yung positioning ng 3D models natin. Okay, let's try. I'm going to click 3D models. Alright, so it will take time to load. Okay, so here we have different types of 3D images or samples. Okay, so mayroon na siya. Or you can also look for your 3D picture. Like for example, I want to look for volcano. So there, so we have this example of volcano. Okay, so isi-search nyo lang po dito kung anong 3D model ang gusto nyo. Let's say waves. Natin meron. Ayan. Okay, for this video tutorial, what I'm going to use is my favorite one. Alright, so see dinosaur. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Hanap ako ni dinosaur. So it's a moving 3D object. So I'm going to click on that picture or 3D model and click insert. So it would take time to load the 3D model. You just have to wait. So here it is. So we can change the angle of our 3D model. So we can make it bigger. Okay, there you go. So pwede na po siya ilagay dito kung gusto natin. Ayan, so pwede natin baguhin again yung angle niya. Ayan, oops. Ayan, gusto yung nakaharap sa inyo or naka-side view. Ayan, there you go. Okay, and pwede din po natin palitan yung scene. Okay, so ayan, may scene 1, scene 2, ganyan siya nababago. Scene 3, Okay. Scene 4. Ayan. So, as you can see, iba na yung ginagawa niya. Scene 5. Ayan. Nakay pa natin para mas feel natin siya. Okay. So, siguro ang gusto ko dito yung ayan, mga scene 3. Yun, parang galing. Okay. Ayan. So, pwede dito din, 3D models view. Ayan. Yung angle lang naman to, kung alin. Ayan. Pwede siyang palitan. Okay. So, by this, matutuwa yung mga estudyante natin. Okay. Another one, meron din dito yung isang favorite ko. Insert tayo ulit. Again, insert tab. Look for the illustrations group. Then look for 3D models. Insert. Then, let me see. Heart. Okay. So, ito. Ayan. Okay. So, like for example, we are going to discuss about heart. Okay, so there. Pwede natin siya ilagay dito. So, pwede natin siya mabago-bago yung angle niya. Okay. Pwede natin. Isang scene lang siya. So, wala nang iba. Tumitibok-tibok lang. There. Okay, so pwede na tayo maglagay dito ng text box. Ano ba yung meaning niya? So, I'll try to alright, so pwede na po natin i-search yung definition ng heart organ so that we can have the definition of it. Okay, so this is just an example, okay, na gagamitin ko. So, kayo bahala na po kayo kung ano yung gagawin nyo topic. Alright. Okay, copy ko lang siya. And I'm going to okay. So, with this, mas catchy siya, mas may excite yung mga bata pag nakita nila ito. Okay. Save na natin siya. Okay, there. So, you can see, gumagalaw-galaw pa rin siya. Okay. Then, pwede natin applyan na transition morph. Okay, yung transition morph, if you are familiar with the other application that can make a presentation, parang ganun siya. Halimbawa, duplicate ko na lang to. Okay. So, dito iibahin natin yung angle niya. Ito naman siya. Ayan. Lagay na morph. Morph. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay. Ayan. So, iba-iba yung angle ng PowerPoint mo. Okay. So, that's all about 3D picture or 3D models and also applying transitions. So for the transitions naman, it's up to you kung ano yung gagamitin yung transition. Advice lamang po if we are going to use it for a class presentation or lesson, wag po tayo masyado maglalagay ng madaming transitions or paiba-iba. Okay? It should be constant or it should be isa lang na transition. Okay? And animation as well. Hindi natin kailangan maglagay masyado ng animation kasi sometimes kapag madami ng animations, transitions, it can be okay? Magni or sa attention ng bata. Okay? So, for more videos, again, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, okay, and hit the bell button to get more updates for new videos and like my video as well. You can comment, alright, if you want to feature a new video tutorial on my YouTube channel. Pwede rin po kayo mag-suggest. Okay? Goodbye!